Hello everybody. If you want to read all the stories in full, please go to www.steveuk.blog. Thank you. Short story 375, The Robot's Day Off. Beginner. In the bustling city of Technoville, robots were an integral part of daily life. They assisted humans in various tasks, from cleaning homes to building skyscrapers. Among these diligent machines was a robot named Bolt, known for his exceptional efficiency and unwavering dedication to his work. Bolt worked at the Technoville Manufacturing Plant, where he assembled advanced gadgets and devices. Every day, Bolt performed his duties with precision and pride, ensuring that each product met the highest standards of quality. Despite his mechanical nature, Bolt took great satisfaction in his work. One sunny morning, as Bolt was preparing for another day at the plant, he received an unexpected message from the Plant Supervisor. "Bolt, you've been granted a day off. Enjoy your time and recharge," the message read. Bolt was puzzled. A day off? He had never experienced such a concept. What did one do with a day off? Intrigued and a little uncertain, Bolt decided to explore the possibilities. As he stepped out of the plant, Bolt noticed a colourful park nearby. He had seen humans enjoying the park many times, but had never ventured there himself. With a sense of curiosity, Bolt entered the park, taking in the sights and sounds around him. Children were playing on swings and slides, their laughter echoing through the air. Families were having picnics, and people were jogging along the paths. Bolt observed the activities with keen interest, trying to understand the appeal of leisure. As he wandered further, Bolt spotted a group of people flying drones in an open field. He approached them and asked, "Excuse me, what are you doing?" One of the drone pilots, a young woman named Zoe, smiled and replied, "We're flying drones for fun. It's a great way to relax and enjoy the outdoors. Would you like to try?" Bolt hesitated but nodded. Zoe handed him a controller and showed him how to operate the drone. With a bit of practice, Bolt managed to get the drone airborne. He manoeuvred it through the sky, feeling an unexpected sense of freedom and excitement. "You're a natural," Zoe exclaimed. "Have you flown a drone before?" "No, this is my first time," Bolt responded. "It's quite enjoyable." After some time flying drones, Bolt thanked Zoe and continued his exploration of the park. He came across a small pond where people were feeding ducks. Bolt observed the gentle movements of the ducks and the serene ambience of the pond. He found it calming and decided to sit by the water for a while. As he sat, Bolt noticed a group of musicians setting up near the pond. They began to play a lively tune, filling the air with music. Bolt had always enjoyed listening to music while working, but had never experienced a live performance. He watched in fascination as the musicians played their instruments with passion and skill. Feeling inspired, Bolt decided to join in. He found a nearby tree branch and fashioned it into a makeshift drumstick. He tapped along with the beat, adding a rhythmic element to the music. The musicians noticed Bolt's participation and welcomed him with smiles and nods of approval. For the first time, Bolt felt a connection to something beyond his routine tasks. He realized that leisure and relaxation were important for recharging not just physically, but mentally and emotionally as well. The experience filled him with newfound appreciation for the human activities he had always observed from a distance. As the day drew to a close, Bolt returned to the Technoville Manufacturing Plant with a refreshed spirit. He shared his experiences with his fellow robots, describing the joy of flying drones, the serenity of the pond, and the thrill of making music. His friends listened with interest, and some even expressed a desire to have their own day off. Bolt's day off became a legend among the robots of Technoville, inspiring them to seek balance between work and leisure. and though Bolt continued to perform his duties with the same dedication and efficiency, he carried with him the memories of his special day, reminding him that even robots deserve a little fun and relaxation. Vocabulary notes: integral, adjective, definition, necessary to make a whole complete, essential or fundamental. Example: in the bustling city of Technoville, robots were an integral part of daily life. Similar words: essential, vital, necessary. Efficient, adjective, definition, achieving maximum productivity with minimum wasted effort or expense. Example: Bolt was known for his exceptional efficiency and unwavering dedication to his work. Similar words: effective, productive, competent. Concept, noun, definition, an abstract idea, a general notion. Example: Bolt had never experienced such a concept. Similar words: idea, notion, principle. Curiosity, noun, definition, a strong desire to know or learn something. Example: with a sense of curiosity, Bolt entered the park. Similar words: inquisitiveness, interest, eagerness. Wander, verb, definition, walk or move in a leisurely, casual or aimless way. Example: as he wandered further, Bolt spotted a group of people flying drones in an open field. Similar words: roam, meander, stroll. Intrigued, adjective, definition, arouse the curiosity or interest of, fascinate. Example: Bolt was intrigued and a little uncertain. Similar words: fascinated, captivated, interested. Makeshift, adjective, definition, serving as a temporary substitute, sufficient for the time being. Example: he found a nearby tree branch and fashioned it into a makeshift drumstick. Similar words: temporary, improvised, substitute. Serene, adjective, definition, calm, peaceful and untroubled, tranquil. Example: Bolt observed the gentle movements of the ducks and the serene ambience of the pond. Similar words: calm, peaceful, tranquil. Inspired, adjective, definition, of extraordinary quality, as if arising from some external creative impulse. Example: feeling inspired, Bolt decided to join in. Similar words: motivated, stimulated, encouraged. Appreciation, noun, definition, recognition and enjoyment of the good qualities of someone or something. Example: the experience filled him with a newfound appreciation for the human activities. Similar words: recognition, admiration, respect. Story written by Copilot AI. To read all the stories in full, please go to www.steveuk.blog. Thank you.